Hello, my name is Scott Needleman, owner of the Needleman Law Office. I'm here to talk to you a little bit about the process of filing bankruptcy and how long it takes to file a bankruptcy. The simple answer to that question is I can move as fast as you can. You come in for the first consultation and we create an action plan. Create action plan to deal with your finances. Are you a 7 or a 13? Won't know that until you come in and we go over your financial picture and also see what your financial goals are. Everybody doesn't want to keep their house even if they're 10 months behind. They want to surrender it. They want to do a Chapter 7. Other people may have that same house, want to keep it, and their finances have turned around and want to do a Chapter 13. Either chapter really depends on you, with the exception of this creature that the government invented with the new law called the means test. The means test is a long, drawn-out government calculation that is all based on your last 6 months proof of income and then the allowable deductions for taxes, insurance, living expenses, and then it comes and gives you a bottom line answer. It says yes, you can file it, you're eligible for a 7, or no, you're not, you must do a Chapter 13. But again, the means test is going to be different for everybody that comes to my door. So the means test is not going to be the tell-all of whether you're a Chapter 7 or a Chapter 13. However, it's a good indicator if you fail the means test that you are going to be a Chapter 13. I happen to know more about the means test than most people. I tried one of the biggest cases in the country on the means test back in March of '07. The case site was In re Graham, and in that case I tried it for free. I took the government on because there was an issue called the surrender issue, meaning if you're giving up your car and the government was saying you couldn't put that car payment in the means test. Well, if you couldn't list that as a deduction, what would it look like? It would look like income, fictitious income. So that was just one of several issues that were decided in my case, and essentially I paved the road. You get to drive on it because I did win that case. Judge Preston wrote a 17-page opinion, and there wasn't an issue in the case that I lost. I tried that case for free because it was the right thing to do, and I wasn't going to leave my clients hanging, because back then 10 people could do the means test and get 10 different answers. And part of the reason was there was no court guidance because the means test came with the new law, so there was no case law on it. So my case was one of the first in the country to have a decision made on the means test and ultimately how it affects you. So come to my office. It's a free consultation. It'll take 25 minutes or so. Find out what your rights are. You meet with me, not with one of my paralegals. I do have 3, and they're very, very good. I couldn't get by without them. But ultimately, you will meet every time with me. It's a 3-visit process. It's 1, 2, 3. First visit, you come in, you find out what your rights are. The second visit, you'll bring back this whole packet of paperwork that I give you to take home and fill out. And I sit down with you on the second visit and go over that with you to make sure it's complete. And the third visit, you'll come in to make your final payment and sign your final paperwork if you haven't already. So it's a 1, 2, 3 process. I can move as fast as you can. So call today, schedule a free consultation, and I look forward to meeting with you and helping you get through this difficult economic time. Thank you.